A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Children, we were studying your chapter number 4. Yes, in computer, that is layout in Word 2016. Today, we are going to move to part 3 of the chapter and we will be completing the chapter. Okay, come on, let's see. Okay, now in the last part of the chapter, children, there is printing a document. There is printing a document. You know what is the word, what is the meaning of printing? Means हमारे पास एक सॉफ्ट कॉपी है और अगर हमको उस हार्ड कॉपी में उसको चाहिए, if we want that document in hard copy, that for that purpose we use a printer and that copy is known as printed copy. Understood? Now, today we will learn how to print a document. To print a document, you have to follow these steps. Okay? Click on the File tab. Click the Print option in the drop-down menu. The print screen appears. The right pane shows a preview of your document. To choose the settings in the center of the pane of the right screen, we have to then follow these steps. We have to just choose these settings. Okay? I will show you in practical also. Okay, this is our Word document. Okay, this is our Word document. If I want to print this document, what I will do? Tell me fast. Where I have to go? Yes, I have to go in the File tab. Here you can see the print option is there. I will click on the print option. See, the right pane is showing the print preview. जैसे मेरा copy आएगा in the printed form, this is showing the print preview of my Word document. Okay, dear children, understood very well. Moving on to next. Now, to choose the settings in the center pane of the print screen, select first of all we have to select the printer by clicking on the drop down list. Under settings, choose the page to be printed by selecting one of the available options in the drop down menu. ये तीन हमको options available होंगे. First, we will see what is the meaning of these three options. Okay. First is the print all pages. This option print the whole document. वो क्या करता है? Print all pages means ये हमारा पूरा एक document print कर देता है. Okay, whole document. Then print selection. This option prints the selected text. Means जितना हमने हमारे document में text select किया है, only that part will be printed. Print current page. This option print the page where the cursor is placed. If we are having more than one documents, okay, if we are having more than one pages, two pages in our Word document, then we have to choose the print current page. अगर हमको एक particular page print करना है, so we will choose the print current page option. Next, print custom range. This option will be used to print a particular page of the document. Type the number in the page option. If you want to print pages from 7 till 10, then you would have to specify this option as 7 to 10 and the Word will print only 7, 8 and 9 and 10 pages. Okay, understood? क्या होता है कस्टम रेंज में? अगर हमको कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पेज प्रिंट करना है, हमको सारे पेजेस प्रिंट नहीं करने हैं, सो वी हैव टू जस्ट स्पेसिफाई द नंबर ऑफ द पेज, दैट इज 7, 8, 9. इफ यू वांट टू प्रिंट ओनली फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, तो आप ये ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करके प्रिंट कस्टम रेंज, देन यू विल ओनली राइट द नंबर ऑफ द पेज विच यू वांट टू बी printed. Clear to you? Only print odd pages or even pages. You can also print only odd numbered or even numbered pages. हम लोग odd और even वाले जो numbers होते हैं, we can also print that pages. First, we will see this. Okay, in the practical. This is our Word document. Okay, see here in the settings we are having print all pages. The whole thing means our entire Word document will be printed. See here we are having print current page, custom print. We are having all these options in the settings. Now I will show you if I am selecting a particular section of the text. If I am selecting only the first and the second paragraph, I will move on to the file menu, file tab. I will click on print option. Now, if I am selecting here print selection, see here, it is enabled. First it was disabled क्योंकि कुछ भी selected नहीं था मेरा text document पे. Now I have selected only two paragraphs. मैंने दो paragraph select किए. If I am clicking on to this option print selection, okay, then only the selected part will be printed. Only the selected part in my whole document, that is the first and the second paragraph, only that part will be printed. Understood? Clear to you? Just what you selected. See here it is written just what you selected. That means I have selected only two pages, only two paragraph. Okay, clear to you? And in the print current page, we will, if we are choosing this option, only our first page will be printed. And in custom print we can specify the number, that is we can specify the custom range, that is 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, which you saw in the theoretical part. Clear to you? Understood, dear children? Moving on to next. Now set the number of copies to be printed. By default you will have only one copy of the document. Default setting क्या है हमारी इसमें word में only one copy will be printed. But if you want more than one copy, okay, we can set the number of copies. By default multiple copies will print collated. If you're printing multiple copies and you want the copies uncollated, select the uncollated option. Now children, what does collated means? Collated means कि हमारे जैसे बहुत सारे वर्ड एक डॉक्यूमेंट में बहुत सारे पेजेस है, ओके, एंड वी वांट द मल्टीपल कॉपीज ऑफ द पेज. हमको एक मल्टीपल कॉपीज चाहिए एक पेज के, तो कोलैटेड क्या करेगा, पहले हमारे एक वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में फ्रॉम फॉर सपोज पेजेस फ्रॉम 1 to 5, ओके, पहले वो सारे वो प्रिंट करेगा. देन the next copy will be printed from 1 to 5. And if we are choosing uncollated copy, means पहले वो first page print करेगा, उसकी multiple copies निकालेगा, second page print करेगा, उसकी multiple copies निकालेगा. Understood the difference between collated and uncollated? Collated means वो हमारे word document की पहले सारे pages की एक copy निकाल देगा, then it will print the other copy. Understood? Means first page की एक copy, second page की एक copy, third page की, and so on. Clear to you? Okay. By default, page orientation is set to portrait. If you're printing your document in landscape mode, then select the landscape mode. By default, page orientation is portrait. Okay, if we want to print in the landscape mode, we will select the landscape mode. This will also, I will show you. By default, page size is A4, but you can select other page sizes from the drop-down list. Click the normal margins drop-down list to choose the document margins you want to use. For instance, if you want to print fewer pages, you can create narrower margins. To print with more white space, create wider margins. अगर हमको कुछ documents print करने हैं, we will select the narrower margins. If we want to print with more white space, means हमारे जो margins में all the borders, if we want more white space, create the wider margins. By default, the number of the page per sheet is 1, but if you print multiple pages on a single sheet, select any option you like from the drop-down list by clicking page over one page per sheet option. Once you are done with your settings, click on the print button, which will send your document to the printer for the final print. If we have done with the settings, then we will click on the print button. Come on, let's see our Word document. See, this we have done. Print one side means only the one side of this document will be printed. Collated. See here it is written collated, uncollated. Understood? See, collated means copies. For suppose if we are having in the Word document from pages 1, 2, 3. See, it is copying the, वो क्या कर रहा है, मल्टीपल कॉपीज बन रही है बट इन द सीरीज 1, 2, 3, मतलब हमारे एक पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट का पेज नंबर 1, 2, 3 एक साथ कॉपी होगा, इट विल बी प्रिंटेड. एंड अनकोलैटेड मीन्स, सी हियर यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. अनकोलैटेड मीन्स हमारी तीनों डिफरेंट कॉपीज होंगी. फर्स्ट इट विल प्रिंट ओनली द वन पेज. फर्स्ट पेज का वो 3 कॉपी निकालेगा, सेकेंड पेज का वो 3 कॉपीज निकालेगा एंड थर्ड पेज का वो 3 कॉपीज निकालेगा, बट यहाँ पे सीरीज में जा रहे थे हम, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड. अंडरस्टूड? Clear to you? Page orientation. See, portrait is selected. If you want in the landscape, we will select the landscape also. See here, you can see the difference, portrait and landscape. Okay, first it was portrait, now it is landscape. Okay, A4 size, normal margins and one page per sheet. मतलब हमको एक ही पेज चाहिए, एक शीट पे, एक पेपर पे हमको एक ही पेज चाहिए. Okay, if we are done with the settings, see here also copies if is 1. If you want to increase it, we can increase it from here. Clear to you? If we are done with the settings, we will just click on the print option available here. Clear to you, children? All these settings are very much clear to you. Understood? Moving to our PPT. Okay, dear children, next one. These are the shortcut keys. If you want, you can copy down in your notebook so that if you're copying at one place, अगर आप एक जगह पे ये सारी copy करके रख दोगे, so it will be easy for you to learn for the exam. Okay, I have written all the shortcut keys which are in this chapter, so you will be easy to copy it and you will be easy to learn it also. Okay. Next, application based question. Amrita has prepared a meeting report. She wants to see how it will come when she take the printout. Which feature should you suggest to her? कौन सा फीचर हम लोग करेंगे? अभी अमृता ने एक मीटिंग रिपोर्ट बनाई है. She wants to see how it will come after she is taking out the printout. I have told you, हम कहाँ जाएंगे? File tab में जाएंगे. We will click on to the print option and in the right pane, in the right pane we are seeing the print preview. मतलब जो हमारा कॉपी है, जो हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट है, it will be appeared how कि जैसे वो प्रिंट होगा it will be appeared there. Understood? So which feature should you suggest? That is the print preview option जो हमारा right pane में हमको डिस्प्ले होता है word document में. Understood, dear children? Clear to you? Moving on to next. Worksheet time. This you have to do in your textbook on page number 47. Okay. Now these are the right keyboard shortcut for the following. These are the shortcuts which I have given you now only. You will learn it and then you will fill it. Okay. चीटिंग नहीं करने का है, आप लर्न करोगे पहले, फिर आप अपनी वर्कशीट में फिल करोगे ये शॉर्टकट्स. ओके डियर चिल्ड्रन. Next. Give one word for the following. Now, the first one, settings that are predefined in software, जो पहले से ही predefined है, means जो पहले से ही set की हुई हैं, that are known as default settings. That are known as default settings. So the first one, that is the A1, will be default settings. Okay. The white space between the text and the edge of the page, the white space क्या होता है between the text and the edge of the page is margin. That is margin. The ruler that displays the top and the bottom margin. Dear children, the top and the bottom margin are on the left side. Are on the left side of the document. So it will be vertical ruler. Which ruler it will be? Vertical ruler. So the third will be the vertical ruler. Now these two you will do it on your own. Default page orientation. Now only I have told you. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कौन सा होगा default page orientation. Okay. Then the space between the paragraph. What it is called? आपको सिर्फ एक word लिखना है. Okay. You will find out from the chapter. You will go through the chapter and you will go through the video very carefully. Okay, dear children. We will meet next time with something new in computer. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.